Hello, teacher. My name is Julio César. I belong to the Maverick group. In this moment, I explain about the chapter number 4. In this chapter, we have to collect the data information. To obtain this information, we have to contact two different teachers because we need to inside to the classroom when the teacher teach with their students. In first place, we need to collect the information between using a checklist. In this checklist, we made a different observation we can observe when the teacher teach in their class, and we need to draw the different observation we can see in the classroom in the moment the teacher teach their class. After that, we need to do an interview for each student. In this moment, we need to collect the information to the 10 students. We need to design different questions. If for this reason, we need to do an interview for each student, for the two teachers. After that, we need to collect the information to do an interview with the teacher, because we need to know what is opinion, what is their opinion about the different questions we have to do about the habit, the good habit the student had when trying to learn a different language. And for this reason, we need to ask you one question to different student. We we do we did uh, about 10 questions for each student. After that, we need to do the translate the answer, because the answer provided the student is what in Spanish, because this level is basic level. After that, we have to do the script. We need to translate and write the different answer for each student and the teacher information we need to collect. And for this reason, we need to write a script. This script, after that, we using to make an interpretation about the information we collect. And for this reason, in the chapter number 4, we need to do different things in this chapter, using the information we collect. For this reason, we need to do an interpretation. After that, we have to using another script for develop the different phase. Phase number 1, phase number 2, phase number 3, and the phase number 4. The number 1 using one script. We need to remember when made the translate, we interview and the teacher in the first classroom and the student. In this case, we obtain two script. In another classroom, in this case, with the teacher Rafael, we obtain his interview, and the interview with the student is another two at the script. Totally, we have 4 scripts. For this reason, in the first place, using one script to identify a keyword. This keyword using to develop the phase number 1. After that, we have to develop the phase number 2, the mind map, to collect another keyword. Is not the same, because in the group to select a different keyword. After that, we to develop phase number 3 and the phase number 4 in the end, using the last one to script using different script. We need to remember, don't use the same keyword. For this reason, in this chapter number 4, make these different activities. using the different script. After that, we need to do the recommendation. Okay, in my case, that is all. Thank you for your attention, teacher.